Hi, I'm Tim Wagner and I'm from Dirty Devices, and I would just like to start by thanking you for purchasing your Delta kit. In this video, we're going to walk you through the contents of your kit and show you a few features about the Delta. In a 3 Delta kit, you should have 3 Deltas. In a 4 Delta kit, you'll have 4. But every Delta in the kit is all the same. They all perform the same functions and they can all be used interchangeably. In this kit, I have 3 Deltas. In addition to those, you'll have 2 USB-C cables, and then in addition to that, you'll have your charger. Cool thing about the charger, aside from it being nice and neat and slim, is you have 2 ports on it. You can plug both cables into each port and charge 2 Deltas simultaneously, and these are just standard USB-C cables, and these are just standard USB-C ports. If you have any other USB-C chargers available, you can always use any of those to charge your Deltas. We also sell these on the store if you'd like to borrow a couple more extra chargers. I actually love these chargers. I use them for my other devices as well. But enough plugging the very slick branded Dirty Devices charger. Anyway, let me walk you through your Deltas, okay? So on your Deltas, a couple of key features to take a look at. On the top, we have the LED power indicator, and on the back, we have both the USB-C port and your power switch. When you're looking at the back of the Delta, and the power switch is on the right-hand side, if you switch the switch to the left, it's gonna power your Delta down. If you switch the switch to the right, that's gonna power your Delta on. So when I power this guy on, we're gonna see that the LED indicator lights up, and we're gonna see that it's starting to animate. You're gonna see a couple of different colors in your LED indicator on the top of the Delta. Each color is indicating a different mode that the Delta's in. In each of those modes, you'll see a couple of different animation styles for those different colors. Green is kind of the default color for the Delta. That just means that the Delta's in its normal mode, and when it's booted up, it'll just be pulsing gently in green. If it's showing an animating, kind of a rotating indication, that shows that it's working, but it's still in that normal mode as long as you see green. If we're doing a firmware update, you're gonna see it in blue, and you're probably gonna see it rotating as it's doing the firmware update the whole time. During a firmware update, it'll go blue, it'll rotate, perform the update. When it's done, you're gonna see it actually shut off and return back to that green animation. And once it gets back to pulsing, you know your update's done. We're gonna cover firmware updating in a later video, so I'm gonna kind of skip over a lot of the details of that right now. One of the other colors we'll see is purple. Purple is what you're gonna see while you're doing calibration. We'll have another video covering that as well. So the general gist of it is, you can use your Delta in any orientation. You can mount it flat on your work surface, on an implement or on the frame of your machinery, or you can mount it vertically. Whatever's convenient for the machinery that you have or the location that you want to have your Delta measure. The important thing is, wherever you put your Delta on the machinery, that's the location that you're gonna be measuring. So we'll cover some project setup in a couple of different videos and walk you through a couple of the standard locations that you can plop your Deltas. But this is your basic kit. We do have additional cables and chargers that you can purchase as accessories, and you can also purchase additional Deltas as accessories as well. And in another video, we'll cover, when we cover project setup, how you can use those additional Deltas and what roles they can perform. But this is your default kit. This is what you'll be taking with you on the job site, and we cannot wait to see what you're gonna do with it.